Welcome to Apps4Org. This video provides an overview of designing the badges using the dashboard. After you log into Dashboard, select Badges icon to access the badge designer. At the top you have options to select the type of badge, badge size and front or back page of the badge. To design a badge, first set the background image for the badge. Select the background image field and upload the background image. Click Show in Badge option to display the background image in the preview panel. Next you can add required fields. To add the first name, click the edit icon next to the first name field. Enter the X and Y coordinates. Select the font style and add the font size. Set the alignment. Enter the first name in the value field. After entering the parameters, click the Show Badge option to display the value in the preview panel. In the preview panel, you can also drag and move the values as needed. Follow the same steps to add other required fields such as last name, company and title. To add QR code to the badge, click the edit icon beside QR code field. Enter the X and Y coordinates. Set the initial magnification value to 2. Select Show in Badge. Adjust the QR code to the desired size in the preview panel. After making the changes, review the badge and click Save. Once your design is saved, you must publish to make the design to go live. Select the Publish icon. Click the Publish button and click OK. The changes will be published. Thank you for watching the video.